In terms of Tammy's death, he was in the bed with her when she died, and yes, the initial determination was natural causes, but then when it was revisited and and an expert came in for the state, because we saw this play out during Lori's trial, that they believe she died of asphyxiation, because the pink foam that she generated, that was a clear indication that it was oxidized blood, and it was, the state is not going to allow, correct me if I'm wrong here, is that this to be, for jurors to walk away and go, oh yeah, she probably just died of natural causes because Chad predicted that she was gonna, I mean, it's the most ridiculous thing on earth. It's like, the defense is literally saying, well, he was saying she was gonna die. Yeah, and she's dead, and she died a horrible death because this, yeah, I mean, it doesn't make sense that she died of natural cause. It makes more sense, given the kid's death too, that he killed her.
And there's a closing argument, Michael.
Yeah, they have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he killed her, right? So there's obviously, I don't think there's evidence that shows conclusively he's innocent, for sure, but the defense doesn't have to prove that. The defense has to prove that the prosecution has not overcome their burden where he killed her beyond a reasonable doubt. They still have to put up their defense. I've caught myself a few times looking at the prosecution and the way they built their case and say, I don't see how the defense can overcome that. I feel like this John Pryor, I was not sold on him at the beginning of this trial. I've been very impressed. You told me, hey, listen, he's a pretty good, fearsome attorney. I'm actually very impressed with the way he's coming out, and I think he's going to be able to put enough, knock off a bunch of legs off the prosecution's case on the death of Tammy. I don't believe that they're going to be able to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt. I feel like this is an easy one, but the kids, I think. Chad Daybell is deep in this conspiracy.